What if I told you that scammers are now using AI to steal your money and your trust? In today's video, they'll show you how these scams work, how to spot them, and how to escape. Hey, I'm Gabriel, and this is where tech meets income. Let's protect your wallet. What's an AI scam? AI scams are fake tools or platforms pretending to offer high returns, smart bots, or done-for-you businesses. But behind the scenes, they use deepfakes, fake testimonials, and ChatGPT generated sales pages to trick you. Top red flags. Here's what to look out for. No real people behind the brand. How they trick you. Scammers now use AI themselves, deepfake videos, clone voices, and AI-written messages. It looks real until your money's gone. Here's how you protect yourself. Always research the tool's creators. Check if the platform is verified or reviewed on YouTube or Reddit. Never trust a too good to be true offer without real results. I'm Gabriel, helping you use real AI tools to grow, not get scammed. Subscribe now for tech skills, safe tools, and smart income ideas. Turn tech into income the right way.